Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Tacora Red interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic, and we've got the new Tacora Red black Sensafin interior inside of there. And I just hit unlock, so we've got the kidney grille lit up all the way around, and we've got the headlights on there. And let's do a lap all the way around. And then of course, we can take a closer look at all the details. So, production is beginning to slow down a little bit in terms of new vehicles, and it's all to do with these potential tariffs and whatnot that's coming. So it's going to be harder and harder for me potentially to get as many cars for the videos. So we're going to try and make a video of everything that we possibly can, just in hopes that we can continue the channel going at the same pace we have been, which has been pretty good for last almost 5 years now. So let's take a look at all the details. So we've got Brooklyn Gray Metallic. This is still somewhat of an M color in the sense that you can only get it on vehicles with M Sport for the most part. Some cases not, but for the most part. And they do call it M Brooklyn Gray on some of the models still, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is the new style key. I just hit unlock, so we've got kidney grille lit up, headlights with a little welcoming light animation. We've got some functional air ducts at the bottom on each side. We've got some active grille shutters at the bottom, big radar puck at the middle there. And overall, front end looks really sweet. And I also do like the one-piece matte black kidney grille. We've got the camera just up front and center. Horizontal slats with the active shutters behind there. So let's see that kidney grille light up once again. So there it is. It looks even better at night, but it does look cool lit up like that. We also have the shadow line headlights here. So all blacked out in there, and we've got all those cool little details on the headlights and all those little triangles at the bottom that reflect the light coming through as well, which look pretty cool. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 22-inch double spoke 942M wheels in jet black with the blue M Sport brake back there. That looks sweet. We've got body colored over fenders, and we've got this little cutout design on the fender as well, which leads into this cool body line that goes through the doors. We have body colored side mirror with the integrated turn signal and camera. We have the black roof rails up top, panoramic sunroof, new style antenna, and side profile of the car. This is the original sports activity coupe. And down here at the bottom, we have a different color on the rocker panel. Got the welcome light carpet coming on as well. It comes out of that spot over here, just in there. So that's these stripes coming through. And we have touch comfort access on the front door handles. The rear windows come tinted. And we've got the Hofmeister kink over here. We've got a little bit of a deck lid spoiler up top. And there's the spoiler on the tailgate. And if we come around to the back, you'll see that we have the inverted L-shaped tail lights here. X6 badging, xDrive40i badging. And then down here we've got the freeform exhaust. Rear diffuser is here as well. So since we're back here and we have the key, let's go ahead and kick our foot underneath the middle of the vehicle. So once that opens up, there's an X6 cargo cover, so you can bring that out to hide your contents. So once the tailgate is closed, no one can see what's in here. And then for ease of access, you can fold it up, and if you need to, you can pull it all the way out. And once it's out, there's a space that can be stored underneath here. But we do have the optional spare tire, so there's the spare with the toolkit and jack and all that. And over here we've got wheel lock key and tow hook. And once you put this back down, we have a 12-volt plug over here. That's a little fuse box section. There are 4 tie-down areas in each corner of the tailgate area. We have a grocery bag hanger over here, and this side we have some more space. If you didn't have the spare tire kit, you could have a tire inflator in there. And up top is a button to close, another one to close and lock, so we can press that to close, but I'll kick my foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. So that's sweet. When we come to the passenger side here, the fuel cap door is connected to the central locking system, so when the car is unlocked, so is this. Press the clock, 9 o'clock position. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click to open, clockwise to close, and there's a little spot to put this here while you're refueling. A little bit of a better look at that welcome light carpet. And let me just open up the back door here. So once this opens up, we do have the manual sunshades back here. And this is the Tacora Red and Black Sensafin interior. So we've got the stitching going across. We've got a window switch, nice stitching on here, ambient light, and we've got some wood grain trim, some pockets, illuminating aluminum door sill, and there's a nice look at those rear seats. We also have all the seat belts done up, so let me undo that. Armrests in the center here with some storage space, some cup holders, and up top we have a string that we can find for center pass-through. And up top we have the black headliner with the reading lights on each side. And there's a little stirrup here also to tie up your seatbelt, so if you're folding down the seat, your seatbelts aren't getting tangled. On the back of the center console, we've got some vents, heated seats for the 2 outer positions, some storage space, and way down here there's a 12-volt plug. A bit more lighting here, this light just turned off. Pockets on the back of the seats. So let's shut this door and we'll open the front passenger door next. All right, so let's open up the passenger door. So inside, you can see that we've got the Harman Kardon sound system here. We also have some nice stitching going across the top of the door panel. More of that Tacora Red, more ambient light, wood trim, deep pockets, aluminum M dorsal with illumination, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. We also have a manual under the thigh extension. Take a look at these beautiful seats. The headrest forwards and backwards is manually adjusted. Height is power. And we have here the new style vents. We have the interaction light bar, stitching across the dash, curved display with iDrive 8.5. And down here we've got some physical controls. There's a wireless charger, 12-volt plug, heated and cooled cup holders. And there's your iDrive controller, gear selector, and your push start button. And if I press that, you'll see that inside there's a USB Type-C in there, and the armrests heat with the heated seats. So let's shut this door and we'll open the driver door next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open up that door. So inside we've got Harman Kardon, more stitching going across, close and open the tailgate. We have memory buttons, we have your window controls, side mirror controls, big pockets down here, and then also we have the aluminum M dorsal down here with the illuminating M. Another look at the full power seats with lumbar and side bolster. We have your M Sport steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, stitching on the airbag cover. Head-up display is over here. And down here, storage compartment, exterior lighting controls, side mirror controls, power steering column adjustment, and we've got the paddles on each side to manually shift the gears. And if I just take a quick peek here, so if we go to parking, yeah, we've got all the automatic parking, so automatic back park, front park, parallel park. Come out of a parking spot, and let's take a quick look at driving settings. So I can go to driving, and I can see that we've got the Assisted Driving Plus. So Assisted Driving Plus means no hands on the steering wheel during cruise control. Car will change lanes for you as well if you signal. And if you use the navigation and you use the full assisted driving at the same time, You can actually have what is called lane guiding with navigation, meaning that the car will start changing lanes for you based on your navigation destination to get to your exit. And it'll give you a little steering wheel impulse, a little zzz, zzz on the steering wheel to let you know that that's happening. So that is pretty sweet. And because we can do no hands on the steering wheel, you have to predetermine the following distance. Up top, we've got the visors with the mirror opening up with the light. And we've got sunroof controls in the center. We also have some universal garage door opener buttons down here. So now that we've taken a look at all that, let's get back out. And down here, it's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So let's get to the front. So we won't have to find anything underneath here. We just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. And this time with the mild hybrid, we have 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have 4 strut braces in a diamond shape, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminals, that post there, washer fluids over here. Sweet engine bay. BMWs have 2 latches underneath the hood, so they just have to close at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, literally just have to send her down. Perfect. Okay, so before we conclude the video, it's time for one more lap all the way around. And I'm gonna do some longer range angles. If you ever see one of these rolling down the street, you know it means business, so get out of their way. But yeah, honestly, the car looks so tough. It's very muscular and very sporty. So how do you like this spec X6? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X6 xDrive40i in Brooklyn Gray Metallic with the Tacora Red / black Sensafin interior. How do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.